So in this video, we are going to learn how to use an AI agent to create Pinterest pin from Slack message. Let's say you want to create some Pinterest pin from the AI generated images and the prompt which you are sending on Slack channel. Now to completely automate this process, we are building an AI agent. Now this AI agent will start whenever you will send an image description as a message on a specific Slack channel. Then this AI agent will send the same message to AI platform like OpenAI, and using it, we are going to generate the image on the basis of the description or the prompt we sent on Slack. After generating the image, we are going to send the same image to OpenAI, and after that, we are going to ask OpenAI to analyze the image and give us the title, description, and other details which are required to create a Pinterest pin. And at last, this AI agent will send all of these details to Pinterest and create a pin with that image, and the AI generate details and content as well. Now, if you want to know how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, let me just take you to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Slack channel over here. And in my Slack account, we have created a channel named as Pinterest Pins AI. Now in this channel, whenever me or any of the team members enter the details or description or the prompt, automatically using the same description or the prompt, an AI image is generated and created or added as a pin, posted as a pin on my Pinterest account as well. Now to connect all of these platforms like my Slack channel, the AI platform like OpenAI to generate the image, and Pinterest, we are using Pabbly Connect, and we have built this AI agent using Pabbly Connect. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as you click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After reaching to this dashboard, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI agent for Pinterest images from Slack. AI agent for Pinterest images from Slack. You can give any other name as per your choice. After naming a workflow, just select the folder of our Pabbly Connect account in which we want to set up the workflow and click on create. And as you click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole AI agent, this workflow works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger step. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Slack account, our Slack channel with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever a new message is posted on the Slack channel, the same message is captured by this AI agent and the AI agent will trigger. So for that, we'll search Slack over here. After selecting and searching Slack, here in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new message. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Slack account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with Slack button. Then it is asking us the token type. So between Slack and Pabbly Connect, we can create two types of connection. Either we can create a user-based connection or we can create a bot-based connection. Now, if you want to learn the difference between a user-based connection and a bot-based connection, you can just click on this learn more button and it will take you to a page on our forum. And you can just refer to this page to know the difference between these two types of connection. Right now, I'm just making a bot-based connection. So I'm entering bot over here and click on save. After that, here in the pop-up window, it will ask us for the authorization permission. So here, because we have already logged into our Slack account in our browser, it will automatically detect the same account. We just have to scroll down and then click on this allow button. And as we click on allow, we will see our Slack account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the channel. We can see a list of all the channels that we have in our Slack account. Out of all of this, new messages from which channel we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect. We have to select that. So what I'm going to do, here in our Slack account, you can see I have this channel over here named as Pinterest Pins AI. So here from this drop down, we are going to search for the same channel over here, Pinterest Pins AI, and then select it. After selecting the channel, when we will click on this Save and Send Test Request button, the details of the last message, the most recent message sent on this channel, will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So before clicking on this Save and Send Test Request button, I'll just go to my Slack channel and I'll just paste a message, a description of an image which I want to create as a pin on Pinterest. So this is the description of the image. Design a calming and aesthetic image that showcases a peaceful morning routine. Include rituals like a cup of tea, general, sunrise and plants. Use soft, warm tone and a handwritten style note overlay. Start your day with intentions. So here what I want to do, I have entered the description or the prompt over here. Let's send it. Now as we send this message on our Slack channel, we'll get back to Pabbly Connect workflow and click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that instantly within seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, in front of text, you can see we have the exact same message, the same description of the image or the same prompt. Also, if you'll scroll down, you can see the rest of the details related to the same message as well, like we have the timestamp, client message ID, the user ID, and all of that. So the step 1 of building this AI agent is completed. Now let's move to step 2. In step 2, we are going to send this same prompt to AI platform like OpenAI, and using it, we are going to generate the AI image. For that, just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in Choose App, I will search for OpenAI and just select it. After selecting OpenAI, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Generate Image. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just go to your OpenAI account and from the dashboard, go to this API keys section. Click on this Create New Secret Key button and give this API key a name. Let's say I'll name it as Pabbly Connect. You can give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account for which you are generating the API key and permissions as all. And click on this Create Secret Key button. And as you click on Create Secret Key, the API key is generated over here. Copy the API key from here and paste it over here. After pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, we will see our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the model. So in this drop-down, right now we have two models, DALL-E 2 or DALL-E 3. And within some time, the ChatGPT's new image generation model will also be added in this list. So here you can select the model using which you want to generate the image. I want to generate the image using DALL-E 3. Then it is asking us for the prompt. And here in the field of prompt, we are going to enter the exact same message, the same description on the prompt, which we have entered on our Slack channel. So we have received the Slack channel message inside this Pabbly Connect workflow in the trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, we are going to map or add the same response of message to this OpenAI action step. And to add the trigger step response to this OpenAI action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of prompt and here in this drop down, here you can see a list of all the messages which we have received from Slack, a list of all the responses. Out of all of this, just select the response of text over here, the response on the message, and it will be mapped. Then it is asking us the number of images to generate. So if you're using DALL-E 2 as the model, in that case, you can generate up to 10 images over here at once. But if you're using the model as DALL-E 3, in that case, you can only generate one image at a time. So I'm entering 1 over here because my image generation model is DALL-E 3 over here. Then it is asking us for the size, that what should be the size or the dimensions of the model. So I want this size of the image over here, 1024 cross 1024 pixels. So I'm selecting this size. Then the quality should be HD over here, so I'm selecting HD. And I don't want to specify the style of the image generated by AI. So what we have done in this action, we have selected the model, entered the Slack channel message in prompt over here, the number of images 1, selected the size and the quality, and now we will just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that within few seconds, we are going to receive some response over here. And in that response, we will get the link of the image generated by DALL-E for the same prompt, for the same message which we have sent on our Slack channel. So let's wait for a few seconds over here. And yes, here you can see that within few seconds, we have received the response. In this response, we have the timestamp at which this image was generated, and also we have a revised prompt over here. So this is the revised prompt for which OpenAI has generated the image. And then we have the URL, the link of the image generated by OpenAI for our prompt, for our Slack message. I'll just copy this link, paste it in a new tab, and here you can see that this is the image which is generated for this particular message which we have sent on our Slack channel. And this is similar to the same prompt, the same description of the image which we have given. Now, after generating this particular image over here, what we want to do, we want to basically get the caption, the title, description, or alt text for this particular image to post it on Pinterest. So while posting or uploading a Pinterest pin, while creating a pin in Pinterest and adding this image, we have to enter the title and the description and other details related to the same image. Now we have two options. Either we can enter all of these details with the prompt in our Slack message, but we want AI to do this. On the basis of the image which is generated by AI, we want OpenAI to judge and basically give all of these details in response. So for that, we will just click on this Add Action Step button, and here in Choose App, we will search for OpenAI once again. And this time, an action event from the drop-down, because we have an image and we want OpenAI to analyze the image and give the text or the caption in response, we are going to select this action event of extract content from PDF/image. Then just click on Connect. And because we have connected our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in the previous step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can just select the existing connection and click on Save. Now, as you click on Save, here you can see our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking us for the AI model, that using which model of OpenAI we want to generate the text. We want to analyze the image and get the title, description, and alt text. So I want to use GPT-4o Mini as the model. So I'm selecting that. Then after that, it is asking us for the image or the PDF URL. Now in this field, we are going to enter the same image URL which we have received for the generated image from OpenAI in the previous step. So what we are going to do, we'll just click on this field of image/PDF URL, and from the drop down, from OpenAI's generate image action step responses, select the response of URL and map it over here. After mapping the URL, it is asking us for the prompt, that what is the prompt we want to give to OpenAI. So I have already created a prompt. Let me just paste this prompt over here. The prompt says, analyze the shared image and write a title, description, and alt text to post it as a Pinterest pin. So we want OpenAI to do this. We have specified what we want OpenAI to do with this image in the prompt. Then after that, it is asking us for the structured output. Now from OpenAI, we want three different things every time the image is shared. Every time we send a message, we are generating an image, sending the image to OpenAI to get the title, description, and alt text. And we want the response. We want the response from OpenAI into a specific format because we want all three different details in three different responses field. Now what we have to do to ensure that we get individual responses, separate responses for all these three things and not get a unified simple plain text from OpenAI, we have to enter the structured output over here. We are going to specify a JSON structure and tell OpenAI that we want the response according to this particular structure only. Now you must be thinking how you can generate a JSON structure over here, a JSON body to get this kind of output. For that, what you have to do, you just have to click on this hyperlink over here in the help text. It will take you to this video on our YouTube channel. You can just refer to this video to know more about the structured output. And to generate a JSON structure of your choice, we are going to use a tool from OpenAI. Just click on this link in the important note over here and it will take you to a page on OpenAI. At this page, just click on this generate button and specify the details which you want in response from OpenAI. Like, let's say I want response for title, description, and alt text for Pinterest pin. So this is the message over here which I have created over here. I have written, and then let's click on create. Now, as you click on create, using this tool of OpenAI, we are going to automatically generate the JSON structure over here. And when this structure, we are getting the title, description, and alt text. We don't have to do anything. After entering the prompt, OpenAI gives us the JSON schema over here. Just copy this JSON schema from here, go to Pabbly Connect, and paste it over here in the structured output field. In this way, we are telling OpenAI that we want individual responses for these three things. After entering the prompt over here, entering the structured output, the JSON schema, and mapping the image URL which we have generated in the previous step of OpenAI, we just have to click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see OpenAI has analyzed this image which we have shared. And according to that, it has given us the title, description, and alt text. All these three things as individual responses as mentioned in the structured output in this JSON schema. We have the title for the Pinterest pin while we are posting the image. We have the description, and also we have the alt text related to that. The title is Mindful Moment, General and Tea and Nature. So according to that, we have basically shared it. If you want in this prompt as well, you can mention the original message or original image prompt from Slack so that this particular action, OpenAI will also have a reference that what kind of image you are trying to generate, and according to that, it will give the title, description, and alt text. Now, after getting these details and generating the image, we will scroll down and click on this Add Action Step button. And now finally, we are going to create a pin in our Pinterest account. Here in Action Step, search for Pinterest over here and select it. After selecting Pinterest, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Pin. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Pinterest account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Pinterest button. And after that, here from the pop-up window, just select your Pinterest account and click on Give Access. We have already logged into a Pinterest account in our browser. That's why it has detected the same account. After connecting our Pinterest account with Pabbly Connect, in the action step, it is asking us for the board. So all the boards which I have in my Pinterest account, you can see a list of all of these boards over here inside Pabbly Connect in the drop-down. Out of all of these boards, I have this board named as AI Images. In this particular board, I want to create the pins. So I'm selecting this particular board over here. Now in this board as well, if you have created any specific section, you will get a list of all the sections over here in this board section ID drop-down. Right now, I have not created any section, that's why this drop-down is blank. So what we can do, to ignore this field, we will just turn this mapping button on and keep this field as blank. After board section ID, the next field it asks us is the image URL. What is the URL link of the image which we want to post? So we have received the image URL from OpenAI's Generate Image Action step. And we are going to use the same process of mapping once again. Just click on this field of image URL and from the drop-down, from OpenAI's Generate Image Responses, select the response of image URL and it will be mapped. Then in the field of title, from OpenAI's Extract Content from PDF, this particular action, we have received the title, description and alt text. So we are going to map the response of title in the field of title, the description in the field of description and alt text as well. After mapping all the details like the image URL, title, description, alt text, at last it is asking us for the image link. If you want, you can enter the image link, the redirect link over here. Right now, I don't want to enter it. So after mapping the rest of the details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we are going to receive some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the image URL which we have mapped over here, basically the same image which we have generated using OpenAI for our Slack message, this image is now posted as a pin in our Pinterest account. So let's check it. We will just go to a Pinterest board and refresh this board page once. And yes, here you can see that the exact same image which we have generated using OpenAI, the same image is now created as a pin in Pinterest. Also here you can see that we have the same title, the same description, and we'll also have the same alt text for this image as well. This means the AI agent which we have created, which is going to generate the Pinterest pin automatically from our Slack channel message, this AI agent is working perfectly fine. Now, after creating this AI agent, we are going to test this AI agent once. For that, I'll just post another message prompt or the image description over here in this Slack channel. So I have sent this particular message, the image description or the prompt for the image over here. Now, as I send this message, we will see automatically within 10 minutes, the image for the same prompt with the same description will be generated and created as a pin in our Pinterest account. And basically it takes 10 minutes of time because the connection between Slack and Pabbly Connect is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect, this AI agent will check for new messages on our Slack channel every 10 minutes. So let's wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay, so now we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. We'll just go to a Pinterest board and refresh this board page once. And yes, here you can see that this is the image which is generated for this particular message or the prompt which we are given on our Slack channel. And also you can see that we have the text or the title of the same image over here and also the description. So in this way, we build this AI agent using which we can take the messages from our Slack channel, and this AI agent will automatically generate the title, description and the AI image and then post it as a pin on our Pinterest channel. So not just these applications, you can connect multiple applications and build AI agent using Pabbly Connect. Also, let me tell you that you will get a clone link of this same workflow of the same AI agent in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow, this AI agent, into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using it for free. Also, let me tell you that Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan, and in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.